everyone, this is Gil here at GrayManPrepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I'm going to be talking about paper goods for food. Before we get into it, I'd like to take this opportunity to remind everybody, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and click the subscribe button down below. And don't forget to ring the notification bell. That way you'll get reminded every time I post a new video. Also, please give me the thumbs up. That helps me out with YouTube's analytics. And also, if you have any friends, neighbors, relatives that would benefit from this topic, please go ahead and share the video out on social media. Alrighty, this is going to be a short one, but it's one where a lot of people don't think about everything, and they're prepping to kind of fall down on it. Because you're not always going to have enough water, extra water to do your dishes and stuff. You're going to want to, conserve water. And so that's where paper goods for food comes in. Of course, the first thing everybody's going to think about is paper plates, paper cups, paper bowls. I got my little notes here so I don't forget. Napkins, paper towels, and they also now make paper forks, spoons, knives, basically for spreading, like mayonnaise, mustard, and stuff around. And they make paper straws. Straws, I don't use that much. The only straws I have are inside my water bottle. So, alrighty. So there you have it. Some paper goods ideas that you should think about stocking for yourself. All right. So, everyone, stay safe. Don't do anything foolish. Stay happy no matter what life throws at you, and stay prepared. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.